So how do you spot that divergence is going to be setting up on your chart before it actually does? So we're going to take a little look here at two charts that are setting up for divergence that actually haven't triggered a divergence yet, but they are likely to. So here is the Nasdaq on a 4-hour time frame. Now divergence is when price makes a new high and your momentum indicator does not. Okay, so if we break above this horizontal line here and this histogram is much lower than this one, divergence has signaled. Okay, so price is out of sync with your momentum indicator. But it's no good seeing a divergence set up after the event. You don't want to be late in this trade. You want to see it setting up before it actually does, so you can get your orders ready. So here on the Nasdaq, what you could do is get yourself just a trend line, take it from the previous high to where the price or the candlestick high is trading right now, and you can see that that line is nicely drawn and it looks very pretty indeed. Let's take then the histogram high trend line and take it to the low here. Now I can see a significant difference in the angle of where I've drawn this trend line on my indicator to where I've drawn this trend line on the price chart. So what that means for me is when price does break above here, and it is highly likely to do that, that the histogram here is probably going to be about here. Okay, so if we move to this area here and move then and just do a simple drawing to here, that's where it's going to be roughly. And once we get above this area here, or above this breakout area and get into this area here, then this is the area where the histogram is going to be. And then we're going to have a huge divergence. Not only that though, but if you use an Elliott wave count, a 5-wave advance, you could see here, I could label this as a 1 up, 2 down, 3 up, 4 down, and then the divergence to create a 5-wave advance, which will then give us an A, B, and a big drop in a C. This is the way you spot divergence before it's going to happen. Draw your trend lines on your indicator, draw your trend lines on your price charts, and you can see it setting up because of the angle of those trend lines.